Several days, and this thing is headed pretty much straight for Hawaii. It's likely going to make landfall on the Big Island later on tonight, Thursday night. Still very well put together. This is a storm that has been very resilient. It's made it through a lot of dry air, some sheer cool sea surface temperatures, things like that, and it's held together very well. So this is going to make landfall likely as a hurricane, if not a very strong tropical storm. Either way, we're still talking about power outages, we're still talking about flooding, and then right on its heels is Julio. That's going to be coming up for the weekend.